is the solar panel I used for you can see. You see, positive and negative is connected to the solar panel, and the wire is going to inside the house. Two wires, red and black, from solar panel connect to a light, DC LED light. The power is coming inside. This is solar charge control Excite company. This is solar plus and this is solar negative connection. This is going to battery plus, battery minus, and this is going to the load output. Let's check it. Output I already connected one pin, and this is the battery I am using, 12 volt battery, and this is for the battery connections. Negative. Positive. Solar connections, negative plus. Connected. Red to positive, blue to negative pole. Now load is on. Charging orange color, and load is on green color. You can see green and orange color is blowing over there. Now this connection I am connecting to I'm connecting to just check it, this wire is coming. I'm connecting to modem. Just check it, I'm connected here. Now the light is on. Wait for some times. Next light is blinking, and Wi-Fi also blinking.